Hello everyone and welcome to another online story time with Miss Liz. So this week we're going to be doing books about animal sounds. But first we always start with our hello song. So we start with clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. We clap and say hello with our friends at Storytime. We clap and say hello. We wave and say hello. We wave and say hello with our friends at Storytime. We wave and say hello. Hello everyone. Welcome to Storytime. So our first book is going to be Can You Growl Like a Bear? Ooh. By John Butler. Can you growl like a bear? Listen to the animals. What noises do you hear? Come along and join the fun. Speak up loud and clear. What animals do we have on this page? We've got dolphins. We've got a bee. We've got a chimpanzee, which is a kind of monkey. We got elephants and a bear, like in the title. We have a wolf and a panda and a frog and a cockatoo, which is kind of bird, and I think that's a jaguar, but I'm not sure. It's a big kind of cat. Let's see. Can you growl like a bear rolling in the snow? Sorry. Can you growl like a bear rolling in the snow? So how does a bear sound? Growl like a bear. Can you chatter like a chimp, swinging to and fro? So what does a chimpanzee or a monkey sound like? Can you do that? Can you click like a dolphin, swimming through the seas? So what's a dolphin sound like? I'm not very good at dolphin noises. That's a clicking noise. Do they make that noise? What noise do dolphins make, do you think? You're probably going to do a lot better than Miss Liz. She doesn't make good dolphin noise. Let's see if I can do the other one. Let's see. Can you buzz like a honeybee floating on a breeze? Oh, I can do this one. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Can you trumpet like an elephant tramping across the plain? Can you make elephant noises? I think I can. Let's see. So first, I like to make my elephant trunk and go. Can you do that? Good job! Making lots of elephant noises. Can you croak like a tree frog, basking in the rain? Let's see, what's a frog noise? We're not ribbiting yet, but maybe we can ribbit too. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. I think that's a good frog noise. What color is this frog? Let me see. It's got orange and green and a little yellow and white around here. What color is its eyes? They're big and they're red and black. That's so cool. Can you roar like a leopard, slinking slowly by? So leopards slink. And how do they roar? You want to roar? Roar! Roar! Can you squawk like a cockatiel soaring in the sky? So what does your cockatiel sound like? Squawk, 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 squawk. Really squawky? Ooh. Can you howl like a wolf, keeping watch at night? Can you howl? Let's. Ow! Ow! Can you snuffle like a panda, snuggling up for the night? So panda noises aren't very loud, but they go snuffle, snuffle. Sometimes they also chirp, so you can chirp like a panda. Go eep, eep, eep. They're louder than Miss Liz, though. Let's see. Everyone is quiet now. You can't hear a peep. It's time to gently close your eyes and fall fast asleep. The end. Okay, so after our first book, I like to do some songs. So right now we're going to do shaker songs. So I have little egg shakers. But if you don't have egg shakers, that's fine. You can get something like a bag of beans, if you have that in your kitchen or pantry, or a little salt shaker. Check with your parents before you start grabbing stuff. But anything that makes a noise you can make. It'll work great. You could also do maracas if you have maracas. Those are perfect. So while you go get some stuff, you can pause the video and then come back and we'll start shaker time. Okay? Okay? So our first song is called Shake Your Shaker in the Air. So we go, shake your shaker in the air, shake it here, shake it there. Shake your shaker in the air, shake your shaker, shake it high. Oh, so high it's on the screen. And shake it low, 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 low. Shake it yes, and shake it no. Shake it high, and shake it low. Shake your shakers, shake it near, and shake it far. Drive your shaker like a car. Shake it near, and shake it far. Shake your shakers, shake it fast, and shake it slow. Shake it stop, shake it go, shake it fast, and shake it slow. Shake your shakers. Good job. Do you want to do that one again? Okay, let's do it again. So, shake your shakers in the air, shake them here, shake them there. Shake your shakers in the air, shake your shakers, shake them high, and shake them low. Shake them yes, and shake them no. Shake them high, and shake them low. Shake your shakers, shake it near, and shake it far. Drive your shakers like a car. Shake it near, and shake it far. Shake your shakers, shake it fast, and shake it slow. Shake it stop, shake it go, shake it fast, and shake it slow. Shake your shakers. Okay, so the next song we're going to do is If You're Happy and You Know It, but it's with shakers. So let me get that set up. Okay, so you know if you're happy and you know it, right? We're going to add stuff in with shakers. So we go, if you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. So I'm going to tap like this. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a tap. Good job. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Okay, so we shake, shake, clap, clap, tap, tap. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all three. Good job! Did you want to try that one again? Okay, so I'm going to do this with one shaker to make it a little easier. So, if you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a clap. Give a tap, sorry. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all three. Good job! Okay, so our next book is called Everybody Says Meow. So who says meow? What kind of animal does? Yeah, a cat or a kitty. So everybody says meow. It's got a kitty on the front. Okay. Everybody Says Meow by Constance Lombardo. Welcome to the magical time when everybody says meow. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, so we're gonna all say meow together. Meow! Woof! Not everybody said meow. Let's see. No, no, no. Everybody does not say woof. Everybody says meow. Got it? Woof! Can you say meow? Woof! Please say meow. Woof! Meow? Woof! I don't think the doggy's able to say meow. New plan. Everybody says meow. One guy says woof. Are you ready? Are you guys ready at home? Okay, let's see. Meow! Woof! Ribbit! Did somebody say ribbit? I'm going to close my eyes and count to 3. And when I open my eyes, no more ribbit. Okay? So let's close our eyes. 1, 2. 3. Ribbit. Bummer. Why isn't the frog saying meow? Is it 'cause frogs can't say meow? I think that's right, yeah. Another new plan. Everybody says meow. One says woof and one says ribbit. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Okay. Meow, woof, ribbit, quack. I'm sorry, my duck quack was. Did you just say quack? Any chance you could say meow? Quack. That is your final answer? Quack. Can ducks say meow? No, they can only quack. Okay, welcome to that magical time when everybody says whatever they want. So, what noises are you going to make? Let's see. We have meow. Zzz, somebody's sleeping, so maybe a snore noise. Meow, meow, meow. Woof. Ribbit. Whack. Roar. What made the roar? Oh no, they all ran away. You think they're scared because of the roar? Yeah, probably. Was it something I said? Who is that? It's a little lion and he roared with everybody else, but you scared him. The end. So, we're going to do some scarves now, and then we're going to end with our goodbye song. So, I'm going to grab a scarf, and today my scarf is green. I know, look at it. Oh, so green. So green. So you can grab, if you have a scarf at home, that's great. If you don't, you can grab a washcloth or a winter scarf or anything that you can do this with. Okay? So you can pause the video and go grab one if you want. And then we'll get started with our scarf songs, okay? So, first thing I like to do is dance your scarves up, 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 all the way up. You can't even see it. Dance your scarves down, 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 down to the ground. Dance them to the side and dance them all around. Dance them on your shoulders. Dance them on your head. Dance them on your tummies. And put them all to bed. Wake up. You want to do that again? Okay. Dance your scarves up, 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 up. Dance your scarves down, 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 down. Dance them to the side and dance them all around. Dance them on your shoulders. Dance them on your head. Dance them on your tummies. And put them all to bed. Okay, so now we're going to toss our scarves. So toss your scarves, toss your scarves. Whoop! Toss them way up high. Toss your scarves up in the air till they reach the sky. How high can you get them? Woo! Now wave your scarves, twirl them round and round. Twirl them all one more time and let them all fall down. You want to do that again? Okay. Toss your scarves, toss them way up high. Toss your scarves up in the air till they reach the sky. Woo, very high. Wave your scarves, twirl them round and round. Twirl them all one more time and let them all fall down. Good job. Okay, so now we'll do popcorn. So we go popcorn. popcorn kernels, popcorn kernels. Now we put them in our pot. So we're going to put our scarf in between our hands because that's our pot. Now when everyone's ready, we're going to cook our popcorn. So we're going to go shake, 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 till they pop. Did that pop very good for you guys? Good. Okay, now let's do Jack in the Box. So just like popcorn, except we start with our scarves all scrunched between our hands. Then whenever you're ready, we'll go repeat after me. Jack in the box, Jack in the box, sit so still, sit so still. Will he come out? Will he come out? Yes, he will. Yes, he will. And then poof! Hopefully we all popped them at the same time. Okay, so now we're going to shake out our scarves a little bit and put them all to bed. Okay? And now I like to end with our goodbye song. So thank you for being with me for story time today. So we're going to we wave goodbye like this, we wave goodbye like this. With our friends at story time, we wave goodbye like this. Goodbye. Thank you for coming to story time. Goodbye. See you next week.